Uhambo lukaMengameli U-Ramaphosa luza emva kwesimemo somholo seQatar uSheikh Tamim bin Hamad Al Thani. Emhlanganweni wabo weinsuku ezimbili, abaholi bobabili badingide nendaba zobudlelwane kanye nendaba zamazwe omhlaba. Enkulumweni yakhe uMengameli U-Ramaphosa uveze ukuthi amazwe omabili anombono ocishe ufane ngempi yeIsrael nePalestine.
Our support is not only political, it's also material, particularly at this time of great need. And we are now, through our various organizations, extending help. There is an organization, a South African organization, NGOs that are doing so. But at government level, we will be sending forward things like medicines and a whole area of related products that will help people in Gaza particularly.
Umengameli uthi INingizimu Afrika ingxenye yamazwe neinhlangano azonxenxa ukuba inkantolo yamazwe omhlaba iphenye ngezinsolo zokubulawa kwabantu ePalestine.
We join many other countries and organizations that is calling upon the ICC to investigate what is happening, and in fact, as we see it unfolding before our own eyes, we can see that a real crime, a war crime is underway.
Umengameli Ramaphosa uthi ingxoxo zokusebenzisana kweNingizimu Afrika neQatar zisaqhubeka.